A stone slash gem asset pack. Okay, so you mean like a like an ore? Well, let me find a reference picture. Do you mean something along the lines of like this? Okay, got you. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to first make a rock. So what you could do is you could use this rock generator plugin that comes pre-installed with Blender, and you could. Sorry, I was reading the comments. You could turn the detail level down to 1, roughness. Probably want to turn that up actually. 5, deformation 1. Yeah, that's pretty good. Display detail. Detail doesn't matter on display. No number of rocks. That should be good. Okay, so now what we got is we can just do all this, and then we can grab this, scale it out, go to the smooth tool, turn it to the randomize tool, randomize it just a little bit, go back to modify tool, subdivide it, go back, decimate it, right? So we can knock it down 118, then we can knock this down even more. Oh, that one don't look right. So we could pull this down. Okay, now we're good. And what we can do from here is, since we need to make gems, we can take a icosphere would probably be better. Pull this icosphere up, scale it up, wireframe, this right here, delete the vertices. Oh, F to fill that in. And then what we can do from here is we can just subdivide, apply, subdivide again, apply. Probably should subdivide twice. I don't know why it took so long to realize that. And we can just subdivide one more time, decimate, shade smooth. But then you want to go to your normals and change it to like 25. Yeah, 25 looks good. No, 30, 33. 30, the default would be good. As well as here. Oh, I already do it here? That's what I'm paying attention. Alright. And then what we can do is we can just pull this down and just rotate it around. And this would be pretty much the same process as it is with the mushrooms and the little white spots, where it's just you rotate it around a couple times and just try to make it look all randomized. So there, pull it over, stick out a little bit. Bang. I'll move this one over so that way it don't look as convoluted. Bop. Alright. So now what we can do from here is we can press A, double shift click on that, file, export, obj, gem or 1, hide those so that way we know what we exported. Go right here, gem or 2. Then we're good. We go back to studio, and you can actually I should probably do this. Mesh part, click on the mesh part. You press F to zoom into it, just out of force of habit. Then I go down to gem ore, location, yes. F to find it. Control D, and then you go to gem ore 2, location, yes. And then we can paint this gray, and then we could paint this like a purple color. And then we turn this to something along the lines of glass, up the reflectance a bit. And then what we would do with this is, if you want to make it smooth plastic, you can, which is what I would recommend doing. Let me do this because that's going to be hard to highlight. Or what you could do is you could grab this and just look at the other materials. It really depends on the art style for your game. I don't think I'd recommend rock. That's pretty bad. Slate would be best, yeah. And then maybe you can make this, you could increase transparency a little bit. You get a little bit creative with this. You have a nice little ore, but since I'm going for low poly, that's the ore we'd go with.